Hey guys, I'm gonna be uh picking up 8th graders and taking them to see, every time I try to screen record it does this. It's annoying. I'm taking 8th graders. I just woke up, so sorry. I'm taking 8th graders to the construction site, which is not too far away from where the school is. Oh my god. You know, you always gotta run into that one bus. Okay, so I think I'm picking up. Oh, yep, this is the 6th grader to graduation kid side. My doors. And they have to be there by 10:35, but I'm here real early. I'm trying to, get the kids there, Oh, here they come. Hi. Hello, kids. Alright. So we're gonna get ready to pull off. I'm head our way to the construction center. Why are my lights on? I hate that glitch. I'm not gonna go this way. Take a little different route. And I think I'm rather outside or inside. Is this where you go? Hold on, I'm not gonna see if this is construction site. No, that's not it. Okay. I need to figure out where this construction site is. Oh yeah, and then I turn this way. It's always confusing when you're going to a field trip that's out somewhere. Okay, so we're not turning or anything, we're going straight ahead. Okay, so this is where they should be at, though. Oh, I can turn that off. And then they should be entering over that side. And then they're going to look at all this stuff, and then they're going to come over down this side. And then they're going to look at these buildings, probably go in and see the designs, because they've been working a lot on these buildings, like from different field trips between 4th grade all the way to 8th and 9th grade. It's crazy. I have a lot of fruit snacks. So I'm just going to, let me just look at my miles. Wait, what does that say? Michigan Pass. Oh, I see. But yeah, this bus is kind of, I mean, I would prefer one of those. I mean, I'm comfortable in this bus, but I would prefer for just me an ICCE, because, like, it's really weird. I can't get, I mean, I'm comfortable in it, but I just can't get stuck to it. They gave me a bus that I had to do field trips in, but the weird thing, this is so weird about me, and I might get hate for this. I'm really comfortable in an FS65, but I don't know how I'm comfortable in this type of bus, how I'm not comfortable in this bus. Like, up here is kind of different. On an FS65, I only have 2 little bars, and then I have the light little things over here on my bus, and I don't have all that stuff in that corner. Well, I have, like, papers there and stuff. Not the line between, it's like usually the square. And this wheel on my bus, the wheel's big on the FS65. Whoa! Now that Thomas HDX just went, y'all see it go right through. Okay. So I gotta start picking up the kids, because this is going by real time, y'all. So I gotta go get the kids. From in here. They just came out of the building, so I gotta pick them up from in here. Oh, I see them over here. Okay, yeah, no. Yeah, I'm gonna get stuck in here. I already am. Oh, I should have never came in this shit. Fuck. There we go. I should have never came in here. But I'll probably make it out successful. Okay. That was cuckoo crazy. I'll just have to get them out from the gate. From where I was. Okay, so there's cars coming down the road, and I feel that, like, it's gonna run over one of the kids. So, because it's like 2 classes, and this is a 70-seater. Okay, so they're all on now. Oh no, these lights won't go off. Why is my control setting not working? Frick? Here we go. I'm gonna have to turn back on. This is confusing. And why not? What is there? You? Okay, I went this way. But instead I went all the way in that big circle. I wish you could actually attend class in there, because that's not even real. I mean, you can go inside it, but all you see is grass. Well, you can't even go inside it from here. You gotta go inside it from the other way. Or, I don't even know. But yeah, that was all for you guys. This was a tiny field trip run. Not so big. As you see, it goes by real time. I haven't even got through 10:35. But yeah, that was all. See you guys.